Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete videos from YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, you need to go to the YouTube app, absolutely on any device. Then we have Home, we have Short, Add Video, Subscriptions. We click Library. And then in the top right corner, we have to go to our YouTube profile. Close it. Now here we click Library. There's your videos. Click here. Videos appear. To delete one of them, we select it. Click on these three dots. There, share the video, edit, save to device, and delete. Press delete and delete again. After that, as you can see, the video is deleted. Now it's gone. This is how easy it is to delete any video from YouTube on your device. If you liked this video, you can put a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.